In an age where warfare is evolving beyond bullets and bombs, a silent force is emerging. One that disables, disrupts, and dominates without a single shot fired. Meet the Epirus Leonidas H2O, the Navy's cutting-edge answer to electronic threats on water. Unveiled in April 2025 at the Sierra Space Naval Conference, the Leonidas H2O is a high-power microwave weapon, designed not to destroy, but to disable. Using electromagnetic energy, this system can stop small boats, drones, and electronic systems in their tracks, without causing physical damage. At its core, Leonidas H2O emits controlled bursts of non-ionizing radiation, safe for people and equipment on board, yet powerful enough to fry electronic circuits from a distance. It uses solid-state, software-defined microwave technology built around gallium nitride semiconductors, offering precision, reliability, and scalability. This isn't theory, it's been tested. During the Navy's Advanced Naval Technology exercise, Leonidas H2O was aimed at 4 commercial outboard engines, ranging from 40 to 90 horsepower. Despite running at only half its power, it neutralized every target, proving its readiness for real-world use. Historically, stopping a vessel meant firing a warning shot, or worse. Leonidas H2O introduces a paradigm shift. It stops threats without destruction, offering non-lethal, non-contact, and repeatable defense. With an unlimited magazine, it can engage multiple targets back-to-back, ideal for swarms and fast-moving craft. Electronic warfare is no longer optional, it's essential. As the world shifts toward automation and unmanned threats, weapons like Leonidas H2O give navies the edge without risking escalation. It's a defensive shield, a silent force multiplier, and a game-changer in modern maritime security. As battlefields go digital, Leonidas H2O proves one thing: the wars of tomorrow may be silent, but the impact will be deafening. Welcome to the age of intelligent, invisible defense. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to Higher Demand for more truths hiding in plain sight.
Thanks for tuning into Higher Demand. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future videos. We're all about diving deeper into the things that truly matter, so stay tuned for more exciting content. Keep questioning, keep learning, and remember, the truth is always in higher demand.